Open the front cover. Take out the fixer. Disassembly of the housing. Remove all the shell screws. Remove the spring screw from this pressure. Unplug and unplug. There's a line here. Remember to plug in when loading. Then pay attention, don't be under this. The plastic piece is holding this iron piece. Remove the spring. Stand up a little. Take this off. Remove this screw. Press this point down a little. This one is also pressed. Gently press it, and then this can be twisted out. Then this sponge wheel. Just replace the sponge. Replace it and put it back. Then put this back on. Then close it. Watch this thread. Be sure to plug in. This gear can sometimes run out. Otherwise, you won't be able to close it like this. Got to press it in. Close it when the end moves. With the bottom side of this screw, almost flush with this housing. Cut only then. This shell kit goes in at an angle like this. Stick it under this.